Hello guys, welcome to one more tournament. Today we're gonna play with our Matriarch Owen. We won the last tournament using this deck. I will show you the lists later because probably it is gonna be the list that I will use in this tournament and this one, the biggest tournament ever. So yeah, Char, I don't remember to play against him. Let's see. This hand, I'm lacking of things to be sacrificed. Maybe I will have to bring a Reynald to my hand, but no, I don't like, you know, True Devour. Maybe I will change this one because because it can be revived. So let's change this. I don't know this hand.
Some problems require tough methods.
Man. If I were you, I shouldn't start with Reynald. I can, just Macrodomo's hand and his game plan is gonna be a problem. But let's wait, because if he tried to kill Reynald and use another hero, we can steal the hero. Let's see, we can bring Minerva.
No,
I don't like this card at all. Oh my god. I can't use Mervana. So I'm a little bit in trouble right now. I don't have a play at all. So let's just do this. My hand is terrible. I don't have a play. It is a bad thing to happen.
I love it when dinner fights back.
Reynald. I'm not expecting Reynald at this point, but I think it's gonna be okay. I just have to, play Reynald here. Sacrificing Reynald. Killing this creature. And I can bring it to his hand. And pass the turn. Probably if he tries to play again this creature, I'm gonna steal with Matriarch. Okay, perfect guys, perfect. Extremely good. So he can be killed, she can be killed by Smoldering Hoof, but I just don't care.
Problems require tough methods.
I can bring her back and steal another creature. He's kinda in trouble right now because two of their PCs, the dog and the Reynald, got stolen or back to hand, so I changed Dominate to... Oh, I forgot about the effect of, Oh my god. I shouldn't do that. Because I am gonna Smoldering Hoof you, man. Sorry about that. Now, if he tries to revive him one more time, his deck is gonna be basically Hounds. Okay.
You
Oh
should
no!
not become one with the soil.
I screwed it up. Oh man. Wrong play. I thought this card was in my grave. I wish I could revive him and play here. So if I paid attention, I would play like these both cards.
I'm going! I'm going!
Probably I'm gonna dominate some creature. This one, and I will discard Devour.
The pain! Make the pain go away!
Now, in my turn 9, I can revive Minerva, or even Reynaud. No, Minerva is better because I'm gonna activate Devour ability in Reynaud. Well, he's basically...
Fire!
I don't like this card. It's a good target to steal. So if I know that I'm gonna bring Minerva, let's just do it right now. Why not? He can use his Moldering Hoofs here, but I'm okay. I need ways to sacrifice Reynaud. If he plays a lot of dogs right now, it's not going to be, you know, good to steal a dog. One dog is okay because I can deal damage.
Time to reposition.
Never mind. Oh, imagine it if I'm able to steal this creature.
Rise and serve. For my beloved. For the Emperor.
Time to reposition.
GG guys, let's go to the second match. Rukia Shambro, a tough match. Last time I played against him, it was a tough match. I don't need 2 Balauria, although it could be good. Yeah, this hand is good, because my intention is to... Oh, good, he's the first one to play. I can activate Minerva.
What? Speak up.
Oh, guy.
My nets are a work of art.
You are going for it. I like this play. I like this play. I like this play a lot. But sorry about that, guy, but I'm gonna.
You will learn to fear me.
Screw up your plans. Come on.
For my beloved. For the Emperor.
What? Speak up.
Give me a card that I can use Shatter Morality. 8 attack. It's gonna be amazing because your game is gonna be very screwed by this play. It would be. Oh no.
We will rain death from above.
No problem. I'm gonna Shatter Morality you as well. And pass the turn. You don't have a play. The weakest creature in my deck probably is the Tormented one. I don't want to use this. So my best shot is to sacrifice Mervana
I will
and
deliver
bring
your
her back.
heads to my master.
Rise and serve. For my beloved. For the Emperor.
You know, 8 attack creature, it's worth to steal. He's gonna play a huge play right now.
We will rain death from above.
Oh, why are you doing this play? Okay. Let's just pass the turn. GG guys, this control deck is very nice. I like this his strategy, you know, to use old Streamon and only creatures that cost 6. This way he can bring a cost 6 creature in the first activation, then he can bring old Streamon to his hand using Evanon, the other hero. Yeah, but let's go to the third stage. Third match against Saxon, another Infernal. Oh, this hand is awesome. I just need to bring Reynaud and play my spells. You know, I'm gonna keep this hand. This hero is better if I sacrifice another card, you know, to bring another card back, and this one don't count as sacrifice. I am the first one to play. It is bad. But as I said, oh, I'm gonna
Some
go for it.
problems require tough methods.
I will deliver your heads to my master.
Because now I can revive Reynaud. If he wants to steal my creature using Matriarch, I'm okay.
Back in line, you
Oh.
filth.
We're trying to move creatures? I like this strategy, but I don't know if it is a good strategy, you know?
For my beloved.
I
For
like
the
one more hero.
Emperor.
Back in line, you
It means that, you know, I can buff Reynald one more time. So, yeah. But come on, my hand is the hand of the dreams, you know, the best hand possible in this game. Why, man? Okay. Oh no, one more hero, man. Oh my god, I'm really sorry about you, man.
The master's will be done.
Some problems require tough methods.
Yeah, things are going. Sorry, Saxon. Really sorry about that, guy. But you know, you face it the strongest hand in the entire game. GG. Let's play the semi-final against Kador, Ephemeral. I wasn't expecting Ephemeral in the semi-finals. Oh my god. Another extremely good hand. I wish... yeah, it is a better way to sacrifice Reynald. Let's just pass the turn and keep going, man. Okay, I have a lot of heroes. Here's the deal. I am gonna play Reynald. If he use his hero call ability and bring Mecrodomus, no. Yeah. If you wanna use Mecrodomus, I'm okay. Although it would be very nice to buff my creatures.
Stay down, fool.
Yeah, I was expecting
Where you
this.
belong.
No problem.
Too late, boy.
Oh, I see. Actually, it was a very good play. So, let's just
For
steal
my beloved.
his hero.
For the Emperor.
Stay down, fool. Where you belong.
Because I'm pretty sure that I will be able to bring a Reynald back somehow. I don't know exactly how. Yeah, let's put it there. I did this because I really want to find. I really want to find a doctor, and grabbing this hero from my hero call, it means that the probability of me to find is higher. Let's
bastards will be done.
This is not the best
For
play,
my beloved.
but you know, I want to
For
discard
the Emperor's home.
because I could deal damage, and this creature, he can discard again, so you know, maybe it wasn't the best decision at all. He's gonna discard again, you know.
Here are some seeds
Yeah.
for your corpse.
Sisters, the time is nigh.
Your ears will make a perfect trophy.
Okay, he's playing very nice.
You will learn to fear me.
Stay down, fool. Where you belong.
The decision making is not that easy. That's why I'm a little bit in silence. I have to test because when I'm speaking, okay,
Let's talk gold.
okay. I need a doctor. A doctor can, you know, win this game. Turn 9. Come on, where's my doctor? Come on, I need my doctor.
You shall not become one with the soil.
To me!
It's gonna
Rally
draw
to
a lot of
me!
cards. It's not good. It's not good. Why you did this, man? Come on, where is my doctor? Oh my gosh. Where is my doctor? I am in trouble, guys. I am in trouble. Oh, I had to sacrifice a creature in order to play this? Even if I draw a doctor, I won't be able to play the doctor.
You will burn in righteous fire.
It hurts. Yeah, I just have to, you know. Oh, I should do it before. Oh no! 11 turn? Why? Why 11 turn? Why turn 11? Come on, game, please. Please. Oh no, man. No! Why? I was winning!